Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the website Screencast.com. Screencast.com is a Techsmith related website, and you will want to use a free account that you get with your Techsmith account because you will then be able to share your Snagit content using Screencast.com by creating links with a limited free hosting account. Now what you'll notice is that if you have a free Screencast account, content that you've not used in over a year will be deleted from the website. So this is not going to be a permanent hosting site. Now you can upgrade to pay for a Screencast Pro account. As of the recording of this video, a Screencast Pro account is going to be $9.95 a month, and it will give you access to 30 gigabytes of storage as well as 240 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth. However, as stated, you can sign in and create a free account to integrate with your Snagit account. And you can do that with the same email address that you use to sign up for Snagit to create your Techsmith account. And with your free Screencast.com account, you can check into your Techsmith account. You can go to My Products and you can look at your subscriptions. You should see your subscription to Screencast.com even if you have a free account. And then Techsmith will tell you how much space you are using and how much you have left. It will also tell you how much bandwidth you're using as well as how much storage you are using. Once you have your account, you are then ready to begin using it with the integration portal in Snagit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.